Have you ever wondered what is actually happening underneath a hernia bulge? A hernia occurs when tissue, sometimes part of the intestine, pushes through a weakened area of the abdominal wall. When pressure inside the abdomen rises, such as during coughing, lifting, or straining, the weakened area can allow tissue to push farther outward. This creates the characteristic lump or bulge. Before surgery, the medical team evaluates the hernia and the patient's overall health. The surgeon then chooses the most appropriate repair approach, which may be open surgery or minimally invasive laparoscopic surgery. Depending on the procedure and the patient's condition, anesthesia is given so the operation can be performed safely and comfortably. The type of anesthesia depends on the surgical approach and individual circumstances. In an open repair, the surgeon makes an incision near the hernia. The protruding tissue is carefully identified, allowing the surgeon to access and repair the weakened abdominal wall. Once the herniated tissue is safely returned toward its normal position, the surgeon focuses on the opening in the abdominal wall. This weakened area must now be reinforced. In many hernia repairs, a thin surgical mesh is placed over the weakened area. The mesh provides reinforcement and helps create a stronger abdominal wall. Another approach is laparoscopic, or keyhole surgery. Instead of one larger incision, the surgeon uses several small openings to introduce a camera and specialized instruments. From inside the abdomen, the surgeon identifies the hernia defect, returns the protruding tissue to position, and reinforces the weakened area with mesh when appropriate. After the repair is complete, the surgical instruments are removed. The access points or incision are then closed using an appropriate method, allowing the healing process to begin. During recovery, the repaired tissues gradually heal. The surrounding tissue grows around the mesh, helping reinforce the abdominal wall. Recovery time varies depending on the operation and the individual patient. So, a hernia operation is not simply about removing a lump. The surgeon restores the displaced tissue, repairs or reinforces the weakened abdominal wall, and creates a stronger barrier designed to keep abdominal contents where they belong.